Welcome to AI Wisdom Weekly, your shortcut to staying ahead in AI. Today, we're breaking down the top 3 AI tools in 2025 that are transforming productivity, content creation, and automation. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tools are game changers. Let's dive in. 1. ChatGPT, with custom GPTs. It's not just about chatting anymore. With custom GPTs, you can build AI agents for tasks like writing, customer service, or personal coaching, all without coding. It's like hiring a digital team member. 2. Pictory AI. Want to turn blog posts into engaging videos? Pictory does it in minutes. Perfect for creators and marketers looking to boost their content game without video editing skills. 3. Zapier plus AI integrations. Automation just got smarter. Combine Zapier with AI tools to automate emails, reports, workflows, you name it. AI doesn't just save time. It builds systems that run while you sleep. Conclusion. These tools are revolutionizing how we work in 2025. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And hey, subscribe for more AI hacks, trends, and weekly updates. This is AI Wisdom Weekly. Stay smart, stay ahead.